I believe that when we think about the great questions of the future, the answer can only be technology, innovation.
We say thank you.
We have unprecedented opportunities to conduct outstanding research with young talents.
Thank you to all visionaries and explorers.
I have a bunch of racehorses around me who really want to make a difference.
It combines history and tradition with cutting-edge research.
What we have here truly is world-class technology.
Thank you to the pioneers who laid the foundation.
1825 was a fascinating time when many people were driven by idealism saying, we need to make a change. It was during this period that KIT was founded.
Thank you to the learners who never stop seeking answers.
What's innovative about our teaching is that we manage to explore new concepts in an experimental way, but then quickly scale up to full-scale applications to test their practicality.
Thank you to everyone who dreams big.
In the 20th century, the first female students joined. KIT can be very proud of itself, as we are Germany's first technical university. We have produced several Nobel Prize winners.
When I was still studying there, I often imagined that maybe Carl Benz once stood in this very spot.
What sets KIT apart is its strong emphasis on research and science on one hand, its excellent teaching, and its focus on innovation.
Thank you to everyone who conducts research for a better world.
One can imagine what the world would be like without KIT, especially when considering the groundbreaking inventions developed here. We're talking about the combustion engine, ammonia synthesis, and great inventors like Heinrich Hertz.
We are researching a topic that represents the future of healthcare. For example, the ability to 3D print an entire heart. Every patient should receive a heart exactly when they need it, not only when a donor is found.
These are truly the big questions. Where does this universe come from? How does it work? Why is everything the way it is? The complexity of the things around us is absolutely fascinating, and it can be described through very simple symmetries and structures.
We specialize in state-of-the-art 3D printing, additive manufacturing on the micrometer scale, from objects as tiny as a speck of dust to those as large as a sugar cube.
We need to stop burning fossil fuels. We need to electrify everything that can be electrified. And for the vast remaining areas, we need synthetic fuels to ensure we can continue to fly climate neutral in the future.
The focus on these technological and innovative topics, combined with the high performance of students and professors, I believe this is how the future of our planet is shaped.
Thank you to everyone who builds bridges.
We have the opportunity to apply what we learn theoretically during our studies and practice, and to create new perspectives and opportunities in other countries.
Bringing the insights we gain from research into innovation, industry, and the market, that to me is the entire pipeline of knowledge transfer. It truly has an impact on society.
I wish for KIT to maintain the confidence and discipline to continue proving itself as an elite university.
I wish for KIT to take pride in its past achievements while not resting on them, but instead staying motivated to take on new challenges and drive new innovations.
That we continue to address our history with regard to women's rights and foster even more female professors and Nobel laureates.
To be a place of the future, it is essential to actively promote the critical and creative thinking of students.
Very talented and courageous students.
Passionate professors.
Being innovative and curious.
To continue conducting excellent research.
I hope that KIT will make significant contributions to solutions and approaches for shaping our society and way of life in the future, ensuring that this planet stays a place worth living.
Thank you to everyone shaping the future. KIT, Place of the Future, since 1825.